the colorful and hot pepper jollof rice, you see. Hello my beautiful people, the name is Bedianawalkerdoings. Bedianawalkerdoings, and today we are coming to prepare hot pepper jollof rice. And jollof rice we are coming to prepare, it contains a lot of pepper. Yeah, the tomato puree inside is a 2 drop of teaspoon, and all of them is pepper. So look how I'm going to prepare it. Thank you for watching. How the name video chakra. Video something you are video background was that. How the name video chakra. Video something you are video background was that. How the name video chakra. Video something you are video background was that. We are preparing hot pepper jollof rice. Yeah, jollof rice contain pepper. Yeah, it's full of pepper. All kinds of pepper are inside this. My beautiful people, you see the rice. Very simple, and you see the ingredients are not too many. Yeah, but you see, so colorful. Oh, so simple way to make a jollof rice, pepper jollof rice. You see, the pepper is too much than the tomato paste. Yeah, because I decided to make a pepper rice, and if you taste, oh come on, you will enjoy it. You see, so colorful. You see, oh, and I did not add any meat or any beef or any chicken. Yeah. Okay, so this is the end of our hot pepper jollof rice. Yeah, the pepper is too much. Yeah, so that I decided to make a simple hot pepper, and you see at the end, this is the result I got. Nice color, nice shape. It's not watery. You can see that it doesn't contain any water. You see, it comes one by one. This is how I love it. Yeah, the pepper is too much. I added different peppers. So if you are in your house and you want to make hot pepper jollof rice, you can add any kind of pepper that you eat and enjoy. You see there's some particles inside. They're all pepper. Yeah. See. So thank you guys for watching my doings. Please, if you are new here, you are welcome. And to all my lovely ones, God bless you. God really bless you. Thank you for always watching my doings. Hey, my returning subscribers, God bless you. Oh God, I'm blessed one. That's it. I'm blessed one. I miss you, BBA Osham. From east, west, south, north. Oh, God bless you. So this is the doings. We are done. Thank you. I love you. This is the colorful and hot pepper jollof rice. You see?